countryman, tori day, countrywoman. Wait be another tori. The another tori na say for that side for Sangmelima, na for South region. Una know that girl way. If name be na Wopso Valerie. Akona kama na Sangmelima. Adenga niwe. Akona tana na Sangmelima. Adenga niwe. Sangmelima side, what happen? Some small pikin for 2 years. 2 years. I know beer, that means say just 2 years. They see for some play watering the pass. Watering the pass. They see die body for this small pikin for day. The question when people ask them for that quartier bisono for Sangmelima, I say now who kill that pikin? Can't try for that play watering the pass. Now who kill the pikin? The mommy for the pikin, it enter for begin explanation. The gendarme they know they accept. Una know say when some crime they so they ask and say na for who where the crime it the profit. Na for the mommy or na for who. So the mommy gave a continue for answer serious question. Because you know he must know something will happen. If he phone fit talk. 2 years pikin, una the kwarai. What did that pikin don't do for play we don't do am. So take go reach some play way. They can't quarry. On a query with him, mommy with his boyfriend, on a waiting, on a neighbor, on a waiting. Man don't know what happened. So this pikin, no baby perika, he died some few days after that man, when they call him say Mr. Dagobert Wafo, that artist when at the door na papa, he quarra 6 years pikin with a knife. That's why for Yaoundé.